I'm loving it.
पहली बार on Zoom.
My secrets are coming out.
Sheet is coming on top.
Oh, sheet.
Oh.
तो फिल्म का नाम हेट स्टोरी है, लेकिन आज बात होने वाली है बेड स्टोरी की, क्योंकि हेट स्टोरी और बेड स्टोरी का बहुत बड़ा कनेक्शन है ना।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत एरोटिक थ्रिलर है।
हाँ।
तो बेड के बगैर तो काम हो ही नहीं सकता।
नहीं सकता। और ये जो हमारे करण सिंह ग्रोवर हैं,
अभी तक सो रहे हैं, सोचो
क्या करें इनका।
4 December. 4 Story 3, 4
ऑन क्यू उठते ही 4 दिसंबर निकलता है मुंह
वो
से।
आई थिंक हम सबके
प्रमोशन चल
उठते ही अभी सबके मुंह से
आई थिंक
4
वो सपने
December
में भी 4 दिसंबर ही आता है अभी।
हाँ, मैं देख रही थी जब आप सो रहे थे करण, आप जब सो रहे थे यू वर टॉकिंग इन योर स्लीप, वी ऑल आर विटनेस टू।
Story 3, 4 December.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे थे।
मुझे
You
बताया
couldn't
गया।
understand what you were saying. You were saying story hate for.
He's so sleepy. He was about to say hate story 3, 4 December. अभी तो
Same thing happened.
छोटी उंगली उठी। Sorry 4 December.
लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा सेट पे क्या यही सोए? मतलब
हम सेट पे सोने के लिए
नहीं, डेजी हुई है, वो लेजी है इसलिए वो डेजी
इसका नाम डेजी भी है।
हाँ।
करण, आप कितनी बार लाइफ में कुंभकर्ण हो जाते हो?
जब भी मौका मिलता है मुझे अभी आजकल।
और आप जैसे ही बेड देखते हो शर्मन, आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
hate story 3.
और
Whether the bed sheets are clean or not.
आजाद।
और थर्ड गद्दा होपफुली कंफर्टेबल है कि नहीं। नींद तो लास्ट थिंग दैट कम्स ऑन माय माइंड।
एंड नींद इज द लास्ट थिंग ऑन योर माइंड
No,
आल्सो राइट
no,
नाउ?
नींद is the first thing on my mind every time.
हाँ।
Like मुझे अगर 5 मिनट भी मिल जाए तो मैं सो जाती हूँ.
That's why she doesn't need a bed only ना।
I can sleep whenever, wherever.
गाड़ी में बैठे वैसे also she knocks off. Lucky soul.
Thank God.
बहुत आई नो सम पीपल जो को ऐसी लाइक सम पीपल को बहुत टाइम लगता है सोने में, नींद आने में। आई एम वन ऑफ दोस,
Yeah.
लाइक द काइंड ऑफ इंसोम्नियाक फेज।
जो जिनका कॉन्शियस होता है बहुत और बहुत ईमानदार होते हैं, दुनिया के बारे में चिंता करते हैं, उनको टाइम लगता
तो
है।
हम लोग बेईमान हैं. What does that even mean?
मैंने नहीं कहा था ये इन्होंने। डू यू एग्री विद व्हाट ही इज सेइंग?
नहीं आई थिंक जिनको ज़्यादा मतलब स्ट्रेस लेने की आदत नहीं होती, जो सोचते हैं कि चल जो भी है स्ट्रेस है, दुनियादारी है, बाहर में जाए, मुझे सोना है, मैं सो जाऊँ। So I think
My
we're very
thing,
lucky
yeah.
people like that.
I think
Yours?
sleep is my therapy for everything. If I'm stressed also, if I go off to sleep, फिर जब मैं उठती हूँ तो मैं भूल ही जाती हूँ मैं किस चीज़ के लिए stressed थी. If I've had a fight with somebody, I go off to sleep, I forget. So it's like a new day.
ज़्यादा
for me. It's like a
stressful
new
होगा तो
day.
चलते सो जाएंगे। बहुत स्ट्रेस कट
और हमारे करण अब आपसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल पूछने वाले हैं। पूछिए सर करण।
ये आपके कब से हुए? ये तो हमारे थे.
हाँ, मतलब क्या बोला मैंने? हमारे करण हो ना आप तो।
नहीं, ये तो हमारे हेड
क्योंकि
स्टोरी के
अभी ये
कारण है.
चलो
हमारा
आपके भी हो सकते हैं, आप इतना कॉन्शियस क्यों हो रहे
नहीं
हो?
नहीं, मैं आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, थैंक यू।
करण सबका है।
थैंक यू।
हाँ, why not?
हाँ, तो करण के पास
अब
पिलो
हम
टॉक्स करेंगे
pillow-
आप।
आपकी फेवरेट बेड टाइम स्टोरी क्या है?
Oh, you're actually asking questions?
भाई इधर
Yes.
पढ़ा हुआ था तो आई वाज लाइक
मेरे फेवरेट बेड टाइम स्टोरी क्या है? एक था राजा, एक थी रानी,
दोनों मर
खत्म
गए,
हुई
खत्म
हमारी कहानी।
बहुत
Very
छोटी
good.
स्टोरी थी ये।
वेरी नाइस।
नो हैप्पी एंडिंग।
इसी में सो
Happy ending हुआ ना उसके बीच में।
दोनों सो गए, खत्म कहानी।
दोनों सो गए, खत्म।
परफेक्ट। आप आपकी बेड टाइम स्टोरी।
अभी तो मुझे
Life-
कोई स्टोरी सुनाता नहीं है बेड टाइम.
अच्छा।
और आई थिंक एज अ किड आई रियली
आई एम थिंकिंग कोई सुनाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू करण।
नहीं है तो ऐसे में
करण
चल झूठी में ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ हर लाइन कुछ बोलो। चल झूठी।
अभी मुझे कहानी सुनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मेरे ऑलरेडी माइंड में इतनी सारी कहानियां
कहानियां
रहती है
चल
तो सोच के ही सो जाती हूँ.
अगर आप हेट स्टोरी
Exactly.
3 देखोगे तो आपको नींद आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, ये बताओ मुझे।
हिट स्टोरी देखेंगे तो नहीं आएगी, नहीं
नहीं
बिल्कुल
आएगी नींद।
नहीं।
क्या आएगी?
आप बहुत एक्टिव हो जाएंगे उसके बाद.
हाँ, एक्टिव क्या आएगी उसके बाद?
वेरी गुड जरीन, गुड जवाब। हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट।
हाँ, व्हाट इज
अरे you answer.
क्या?
आई नो
What is your
What is your
favorite
favorite
bedtime?
bedtime story?
यस।
There's this one story my grandmother used to tell me.
ओह
अरे
स्वीट।
मैं नहीं पता।
अच्छा सॉरी, बताइए।
अरे she used to tell me how the Panja Sahib is made. Guru Nanak ji put his palm like that and then water flow through it.
वाओ।
Yeah. And he stopped this one big boulder and his palm mark is already it's there still.
The first thing you need in the morning.
I need to do something in the morning first thing.
Okay.
Starts with P, ends with Y
And there's an O in between.
and TT.
Okay, very good. Zareen,
Drink lots of water.
health.
No, I don't know. I just feel very thirsty when I wake up, so I want to have the one full bottle of water.
I take the water to go in potty.
And Sharman?
You let out the water that you drunk.
I didn't know
lots
it's-
of water that you drunk.
I drink water as soon as I wake up.
Now you're trying her answer. I think your first answer was good.
Yeah, okay. 40.
Yes, you can
My
see.
answer is 40.
I need to brush my teeth before I do anything.
Huh.
Before I talk
You
to
don't even
anyone,
have-
water, dirty.
Water?
Water also. No. I can't.
Clear होता है सब. One.
Yeah.
No, but you should not be taking in the morning breaths, right?
I don't
Clean
give a
it first and
damn
then-
about that. And
Sometimes
then,
forget to brush only. When I worn my clothes and I'm going out of the house, I'm like, oh shit, कुछ
दिखा
miss हो
दांत
गया.
क्या आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है? You ever forget to
ये
brush?
तो इनके साथ कैसे होगा?
First thing I brush my teeth.
हाँ, first thing you brush your teeth. So Karan,
Paper rocket.
if you had to be an invisible man in a girl's bedroom, what powers would you like to have?
Hey, invisible na? Good enough power.
No, that's true actually.
Invisible man in a girl's bedroom. और क्या? The power to keep quiet. No, that's
You'll be
fine.
very happy.
invisible and
I think it's a very
invisible and
good-
talking, the girl will freak out.
ये तो भगवान बोलेगा एक तो invisible बनाओ अभी पावर और क्या पावर चाहिए सर? You answer this question, please.
The power to be visible at will and invisible again. Whenever I
I saw you. Ah.
and gone.
I want to freak the girl out.
Those are ghosts.
If you had such men in your room, would you freak out? I'm assuming you will.
No,
right?
they
How would
find
she
it
know?
exciting.
How will I
Suddenly
know?
appearing, suddenly going, suddenly appearing.
I'll die. I'm very scared of ghosts. I'll think they're ghosts. I'll die.
Even though it's Sharman, he comes and says hello and goes away. I saw you.
If it is somebody that I already know, then I'll just be very confused. कि भाई ये क्या ये सच्ची में था कि नहीं था
And in
ना
that,
being nice,
and in that she
poor
might
thing.
she'll be like, oh, he कौन था? Oh, shit.
No, but you will pass out even if
सो
it's
गई.
me. It's natural, yeah.
कौन था? सो गए.
You will
नहीं I'll wonder कि you know am I hallucinating or what because at times I do.
Oh my God, really?
I would wonder.
ये hate story.
Me in Zareen's bedroom, she would hallucinate.
Want to
No,
delete this
she would
part.
think that.
Yeah, because I wouldn't know that how. So I would just think that
Yeah.
You're imagining.
Yeah.
Good imaginations happening.
Hallucinate. I am last 5 seconds, 10, 15 seconds. You'll have to delete. I'm sure. I'm sorry, you can't say this on national television.
What you said?
Not me.
Hallucinate is
I
not a bad
hallucinate for
word.
my entertainment. When I don't like something, I start
Hallucinating?
I zone out and I imagine I'm somewhere else.
आपको पता था कि ये hallucinate करती हैं जब टाइम पास करती हैं तब?
हैं?
नहीं ना?
ये तो reveal कर रही है आज पहली time on
पहली
Zoom.
बार on Zoom.
Shit, my secrets are coming out.
But would you like to also take this question? If you were invisible
In a girl's room only.
in a guy's obviously, in Karan's bedroom, what would be the power you want to have?
अच्छा.
शर्मा गई लड़की.
अरे वो बोल नहीं रही है. वो दूर से पत्थर मारेगी मेरे को. चीजें फेंकेंगे मेरे को. हम पता भी नहीं चले कहाँ से कौन है? कौन है?
I think he gave my
Give the
answer,
perfect
yeah.
answer. And if you were invisible in Karan's room,
Why? Baby, you can be visible in
I
my
can
room.
be
yeah.
visible with him. ऐसे
What
कोई
is the
हमारे
point?
ऐसे संबंध हमारे
Achha, he
ठीक-ठाक
can be
हैं.
visible in your room and I am supposed to be invisible in your room. You didn't just give this answer for me.
Man at job. हाँ मैं भागी हूँ.
वाह,
Wow, very good. मजा आया
अब
यार.
थक
This
गया
was the best
so-
part of the interview.
फिल्म का वो डायलॉग भी है ना कि हारता वो नहीं है जो गिर जाता है, लेकिन जो गिर के उठता है.
किसी भी लड़ाई में हारता वो नहीं है जो गिरता है, बल्कि वो जो गिर के उठता नहीं है.
हैं?
अब इस लड़ाई में करेक्ट बोल रहा हूँ.
Sorry,
उनका
sorry.
लाइन है.
अब इस लड़ाई में उठने का वक्त आ गया है.
एक और लाइन.
तालियां!
जीतूंगा मैं ही.
And you laugh and say I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
वो लेकिन मुझे लाइन बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि how often in your life have you all gone through this thing कि
Currently going on.
अच्छा
Status. So it's nice. After a few films which have not worked well, you're on the back foot and you're hoping, you know, things turn around and you just can't hope. You have to do something about it.
is there somebody you talk to or how do you deal with
You have to deal with it. And as much as anyone else wants to help you,
can't.
they can only till that extent. Thereafter, you have to take care of yourself and gather the strength, courage, whatever you need to at that point of time and move on with it.
So in some way, even you sort of had that.
Yeah, I did. But yeah, I mean, as Sharman said, you know, it's only you who can help yourself.
And so do you also आप भी share करते हो, or do you have to keep things to yourself, or do you talk it out?
I can't talk anything out.
अच्छा.
It's a problem. I think people who can talk it out are fortunate, but some people just don't like to.
So you just keep it bottled up inside somewhere, doesn't it? Like एक दिन फटाक से ऐसा निकले.
I don't know. I used to write.
Like a diary every day.
No,
Or
yeah.
like,
It sounds fancy if I said diary.
Bridget Jones Diaries.
See? Scratch that. No, not a diary, like, but I used to write. Like a journal.
So it was cathartic.
Yeah, sound more manly. Diary sound like
मैंने
diary.
Dear diary.
Journal. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a journal. It's like a. It has a mustache.
And how often do you go back to the journal?
I don't anymore.
अच्छा, now you
Yeah.
stopped writing. Why?
Yeah. But it's a good time right now.
अच्छा, okay.
No need to bottle anything up.
Have you ever slept
Platform
on a
number
station?
4.
Platform पे सोए हो आप?
नहीं बैठा हूँ पूरी रात नींद नहीं आई वहाँ पे एसी नहीं था
तो क्या हुआ था exactly?
मैं सुबह से ऑडिशंस कर रहा था और बाय द टाइम आई गॉट बैक टू गोरेगांव आई हैड टू गो टू अंधेरी उसके बाद एंड आई रीच गोरेगांव स्टेशन एंड द लास्ट ट्रेन हैड गॉन आफ्टर दैट एंड आई डिडंट हैव इनफ मनी टू गो टेक अ रिक्शा and go to Andheri and I didn't have strength to walk back to Andheri so I was like I'll just sit for a few hours.
And he slept?
No, I sat,
Acha.
couldn't sleep.
ये जो फिल्म का नाम है Hate Story, the word hate I feel is very very strong word.
Very strong.
word. So how often do you personally in life में कितनी बार do you use this word hate a lot?
Honestly, you know, it's a very, very strong emotion. And if you're hating somebody, you are giving that person that much importance in your life, in your mind. So for me, if I don't like somebody, if I hate somebody, then that person doesn't exist for me.
What about you, Sharman?
Over time, you also kind of realize the futility of hating anything or someone. Hate and all is now, I've hated people earlier, but now I've come down to a state where, you know, pretty similar to how Zareen feels. You can't hate anyone. You may not like someone, you might dislike someone, but hate is too strong an emotion.
Yeah.
Because you don't mean ill for them, you don't mean God bless them, they move on with their life, have a great life, and so do you. But baki hate shit to abhi kya hai? It's not that important.
Mr. Karan.
Oh, I can't hate anyone. I can't. It's too much effort.
To hate someone.
Yeah, I mean it's like if it's saying that it's almost as strong as love, the emotion, and the opposite side. There's too much. You can't expend that much energy on an emotion like that. It'll bring you down, not anybody else.
In the industry, whose story have you found like inspiring? कोई ऐसा है?
Sylvester Stallone.
Oh, I love him.
Sylvester Stallone. What's
Yeah.
his story?
The story is that first he started off as a porn star, and then he wrote Rocky, and he said that I'll direct it and I'll act in it. And he went to many producers and directors and wanted to take it forward, but nobody wanted to do it because they wanted other actors to be in it, the then stars to be in it, and he wanted to just kind of do it himself, and that's what he did, and it's big, like the biggest thing ever.
Franchisee.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like everyone's
he
seen
had to
Rocky.
sell, for some reason, he had sold his dog, and then with whatever money he made from Rocky, he
And now,
went
even
and
now,
bought that dog.
every week he goes to this park and feeds dogs, like every week.
I love him.
Sylvester Stallone, Sly Stallone. What about you, Aide?
Priyanka Chopra. So she belonging from such a small town of Bareilly and now becoming an international star. So I think her story is very inspiring.
True, yeah.
Bachchan Saab for me. Just the journey. It's been absolutely scintillating, and then he's seen a time when things were not very good, and then rose like a phoenix, came back into position, continues like re-establishing rules in the business, in the Indian film industry, setting a stage for all the younger actors in the coming years. We possibly, you know, carving out a path, and I think he's done some path-breaking work, which he continues to do at this age also. Yeah.
True, absolutely. Film में जो वो dialogue है, which I kind of understand, कि there's been an indecent proposal being made to you of sorts. So in life, has that happened to you? Any of you?
I am very okay with just slapping people or punching people if I don't like something they say.
Wow.
And I think that comes across that way.
Have you
so-
slapped many boys?
A lot of... Boys,
Tamacha.
I've actually got into fights where I've beaten people up, and not because they've done anything to me, but you know, to protect my sister. You know, because we're just two sisters, and I'm the elder one, so I'm like her brother, and so yeah, I've done that.
हाँ.
But अभी वो थोड़ा सा pause हो गया है.
हाँ यार, हमने तो बहुत gentle side देखी है.
My brother, she meant she's like a bhai.
And what about you guys?
Yesterday, we were at this.
Someone made
Some
an
journalist asked me a really strange question, and I was like, "Huh?" She said, "What if someone actually made an indecent proposal to your wife in real life?"
Oh my.
Did you not slap them?
I said, "No, it
How
was
do
a
you come
woman.
up with it?
It was a woman." So I was like, "Are you serious? Are you asking me that?" I said, "No, naturally. Would you accept that?" I was just too amazed by the question. I was stunned actually.
My God.
So yeah, but it was funny. I thought it was funny. It's okay.
She's on Benadryl.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And there's also
ये पूछेंगे?
अलग सवाल.
I
अलग
said, this
छे.
is the first. No one has asked me this.
नहीं, वो घर पे बोल के आई आज मैं शर्मन को गुस्सा करके आऊँगी.
Maybe she had not
देखना
seen the
उसके
trailer only.
reactions.
Maybe she didn't know only. She was only asked to ask the person. ये
No,
अगर
no.
ऐसा आपके साथ
It
real
looked
life में
like
हो,
she-
it's a
out
normal
of
question.
the-
हो, अगर आपके साथ ऐसा real life में हो तो.
No, out of the 22 million views that we've had, I'm sure she's seen it a few thousand times. She's
Yeah.
one of those.
Very well put. Very well. गुजारती अच्छे से.
हाँ, correct. मैंने promotion कर दिया.
Promotion
Correct.
अच्छे से किया. Very nice.
4th December.
4th December. Have you ever been two-timed? I mean, have you ever two-timed? Because that's also there in the film.
Oh my God. No. When I'm in a relationship, I'm very loyal. And
I like you,
thankfully,
girl.
I'm not in a relationship anymore.
Well, you hopefully you're not in a relationship that you.
Thankfully.
अच्छा, thankfully.
Thankfully, I'm not in a relationship. I'm single and enjoying life. Whatever that means.
You're happy and single and happy.
I'm very, very happily single. Very happily single.
Have you ever gone to Sharman for like any kind of good advice?
Acha.
Because he has, has a beautiful love story.
मैं कहाँ से advice दूँगा यार?
इतना अच्छा आपकी.
It just sounded so wrong.
I know, I've never gone to
So
Sharman.
you're so happily single. Have you ever gone to Sharman?
It's not us. It's
It's the bed.
it's the scenario.
Wedding actors.
Bedding actors.
Yes. आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Sharman
Wedding
को मैं acting के लिए एक बार I had asked him because he is so good with his emotions and I remember
For
we
double
were doing.
timing.
No. अच्छा for you wanted me to go to
वो छोड़ नहीं रहे, वो thread ही नहीं
for
छोड़ेंगे.
acting I
She's
said.
saying generally
Sharman बहुत
only
अच्छा
time.
इंसान है. He loves his wife and his wife is a wonderful woman. I love Prerna.
There now she said it on
Prerna, I'm
camera.
saying it on camera. I love you. You are like the most amazing person.
And Mr. एक सवाल दो मेरे.
पूरी पहले से आंसर प्रिपेयर कर रहा
अरे नहीं, I'm not even
Cheating?
I'm not even looking at the question. I swear.
स्कूल का एग्जाम थोड़ी है.
मैं ऐसे पकड़ लूं. That situation has never occurred. I've been in many relationships, but that's about it.
But when you're in a relationship, you're in the relationship.
Yeah,
No.
and if I feel that I'm not in it, then I just move out of it.
What even do you know who cheat on their wife?
I don't know a lot of men.
अरे
Men only rule.
full back food हो गया ये तो.
I don't know.
Sorry,
men only.
I'm not playing. मुझे खेलना ही नहीं है.
आदमी वो क्या है?
Should we go under the sheets for these questions?
Huh?
I think we should sheet.
क्यों उसे
Shit, let's go under the sheet.
I have
If
to
you go
go
under the
sheet.
sheet, so people won't know that I'm answering.
No, we will take.
As long as
we will
no one
take
lets
this
off
question
anything
under
that
the
they've
sheet.
eaten so far.
Please come. And now we are under the sheet, as you can see.
Sheet is coming on top.
Sheet is giving pressure on you, right?
Yes.
Sheet.
Oh,
And when was the last time, Zareen, you went under the sheet?
This
Last night?
Last night, yeah.
That ad used to come also ना. जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था, बड़ी शरारत करता था, मेरी चोरी पकड़ी जाती।
जब
तब रोशन होता था बजाज।
अब मैं बिल्कुल बूढ़ा हूँ, गोली
बजाज की
खाकर
मार्केटिंग
जीता
की है।
हूँ।
Hate Story 3 4 December.
Sorry.
And Karan, आपको इस शीट के नीचे कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्टैटिक की वजह से हम सबके बाल खड़े हो रहे हैं. But other than that, very nice. अच्छा है. Light dim हो गया. But
अभी
अभी
very
आप
good
अभी
experience.
आप जाग गए हो एकदम अंडर द शीट ऐसा लग रहा है.
नहीं, आपको पता नहीं मैं क्यों जागा. मुझे जाना है.
उनकी इमरजेंसी अभी.
अच्छा. And in life वो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं which you want to just
Throw out, na?
throw under the sheet? If I was to say what is the one thing you just want, one question you want to put under the sheet?
No, not really.
Very good.
It's a very trick question. I'm not saying anything. Nothing.
Zareen,
I think it's high time people stop asking me about the whole look-alike thing and, you know, the question about how I feel being compared to XYZ.
Somewhere people, when they see you, they immediately ask you something to do with Salman. Does that also...
Oh yeah, I think that is one question that people should really stop, because Salman is a very busy person and I don't know why in every conversation and whenever I'm interviewed, he's kind of pulled in. So.
One Bodhi is standing.
Bodhi? What is Bodhi and Kakadi and पता नहीं क्या?
कहाँ से शब्द निकालते हैं?
Bodhi नहीं पता. Bodhi is a normal term, ना?
No, what is Bodhi?
मैंने नहीं सुना.
बोधि ट्री सुना है?
नहीं,
बोधि सत्वा सुना है?
ऐसे when these people shave their heads off and then they have.
अच्छा, that tiny choti.
It's called Bodhi.
It's not called a tiny choti.
It's called Bodhi.
Yeah, it's called Bodhi.
Oh my
And
God.
what about your
Sorry,
Bodhi?
My Bodhi that I want to put under the sheet?
Yes.
Nothing in particular actually. I'm willing to take on the world, bring on anything. Don't want to put anything under the sheet. It's all there, out there in the open.
So let's go out back into the open.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow.
And now we are out of the sheet.
Thank God for that.
Oh shit.
And under the pillow.
Zareen, who's the one person you definitely want to have a pillow fight with? No, I'm just copying Sharman.
In case it happens to be me, I want to be the first one to attack.
Chalo, since you all are here, let's only. Na? मैंने मार दिया, मैंने
Sorry,
मार दिया.
I was going to hit him.
Man at job. हाँ मैं भागी हूँ.
वाह,
Wow, very good. Maza
अब
आया.
थक
This
गए,
was the
अब
best
सो.
part of the interview.
अब सो जाते हैं, चलो. मतलब आप जाएंगे.
ये लड़की नहीं अच्छी लगती.
उसको सिर्फ सोना है.
चलो आप सो जाते हैं.
झूठे. ये है हमारी स्टोरी 3, 4,
मेरे
5.
पिलो में ये क्या गाना था यार, बुड्ढी का बार?
I didn't fight with you guys. मुझे क्यों मारते हो? सही है मत. So please
Karan has enjoyed
please
this
go and
part
watch
the most.
Hate Story.
Karan,
Three.
बोलो ना.
हाँ मैं भागी हूँ.
On the 4th of
December.